The shark, an apex predator able to sense a drop of blood in an ocean of water.
And it's not just blood. Sharks, with their amazing sense of smell, can detect things like predators, prey, and even potential mates. And it's not just sharks that have this impressive ability. Elephants have one of the best senses of smell in the animal kingdom. And when we think about how big the chunks are, it's not a surprise. Wolves and other predators can use their heightened sense of smell to find prey in vast wildernesses. And also, dogs have been trained to sniff out illnesses such as cancer. And there's one predator here in New Zealand that its sense of smell is so developed that they use it to build a map of the surroundings, much like a bat uses sound. And that predator is the Longfin eel. This endemic freshwater species can use its sense of smell to detect the difference in plants, soils, debris and other organic matter, and then it uses that information to navigate its way through the dark, murky waters of New Zealand's lakes and rivers. This top nocturnal predator survives on a diet of fish, mollusks, crayfish and insects, and just like a shark, it relies heavily on its sense of smell to hunt. So what we're going to do with this group of eels here is demonstrate on a small scale just how good this sense of smell really is. So I've got some food which I'm going to place upstream, and then we'll see how long it takes before the eels sense the food and then make their way to the source. So I'm going to place the food in this pool here. It's only about 10 metres away from the main group, so it shouldn't take too long before we see some movement downstream. There is one lone eel in here at the minute. He's very lucky because he's going to get first dibs on the food.
The eel's sense of smell is so amazing due to a high number of receptors in the olfactory organ and the presence of tube nostrils. So if we look above the eel's mouth, we can see two tubes protruding from the head. Some cultures believe that these were horns, and they are talked about as such in eel mythology. In fact, they are just extensions of the eel's nostrils and allow the eel to pinpoint certain smells in the water. The eel's sense of smell changes throughout its life cycle, and research has also shown that it's partly responsible for prompting the eel at certain stages in its life cycle, such as migration.
So that didn't take very long at all. And you can imagine in a lake or a bigger ecosystem, that highly developed sense of smell, along with some other amazing adaptations which I'll talk about in my next video, make these eels a wildlife wonder and truly unbelievable.